Yeah, I think so.
I think so, because when he says, if you still want to go to China, you're going to have to pay the price.
Oh yeah, and we're not paying the price. You know,
We're not paying the price right. We're not paying the price right now.
No, we're actually made in America, guys. So
Yeah.
This is Joseph Hill from the No Spill Spout. I'm here with Mike at Monco Products, and we are manufacturing our No Spill Spout right here in America. So the nice thing is we're actually making the exact parts that we could have in China for less. And I don't have to worry about if there's going to be some kind of strike at the port where we've got a limitation as to when and how quickly we can get our products.
And your material call out will stay the same.
And the consistency of everything is going to be fantastic. The nice thing is, I drove down here. The worst thing I had was instead of being 40 minutes or 35 minutes to actually have it in traffic, I ended up having an extra 10 minutes added onto it, and so it took me a little bit longer to actually get down here. But I'm just thrilled as to how well it's working out. And so this right here is the color that goes in and actually colors the actual pieces and the parts. This one right here is going to be the pink. And then we've got black and some other ones. So, very cool. I'm excited. It's happening. It's all good, baby. So the No Spill Spout finally being manufactured right here in the good old US of A. Proudly made in America. So this will be opening up here in just another moment, and then we'll have that. So these will be shipping out probably starting next, well, maybe even this week we'll actually have some of the Kickstarter stuff kicking out. There we go. That's it. I'm Joe Hill from ProLab Digital, manufacturer of the No Spill Spout.